Makadimose, welcome to Shona Greetings Part 2.
Yay, Shona Greetings!
Murise Hasi, the Shona Squad.
Tinofara kana uchifarao lia.
Murise Nasi means, how are you today?
And Tinofara kana uchifarao means, we are happy if you are also happy, Leah. Murise is a respectful way of Shona greeting, or can be used to greet more than one person. And if you are greeting one person, you say, Uri se Nhasi. Here. And when greeting someone in the morning, you say Mangwanani, meaning good morning. If you're greeting many people, say Mangwanani Mose!
Exactly!
A friendly response is Mangwanani, namuka kana wa mukao.
That means, good morning, I have woken up well if you have also woken up well.
Another Shona way to say good morning is Mamukase. Exactly! Mamukase is a respectful way of greeting and also used to greet more than one person. And when greeting one person, you say Wamukase. Set to respond in a polite way, you say Indamuka or Tamuka kana Mamukao.
That simply means I have woken up well if you are also well.
Mia, what do you say when greeting someone in the afternoon?
Masikati!
That is wonderful, mates. Masikati means good afternoon.
To reply to this afternoon greeting, you usually say Masikati wakadiwo iwe. That means good afternoon, how are you as well.
Brilliant, Olu. Let them say it with us.
Masikati!
Leah, do you still remember a Shona evening greeting?
Yes, you say Manheru or Madekwani.
Genius!
Manheru or Madekwani means good evening.
When greeting people in late afternoon or the evening, you say, Maswera say.
Taswera kana waswerawo.
Tari!
Brilliant, Leah.
Olu, last time we said Ndepi. Ndepi is an informal way of Shona greeting. Can you give us another informal Shona greeting?
Yes, you say Zviri kufaya here.
Zvedu, the Shona Squad Zviri kufaya.
Zviri kufaya here means what's cooking? Oh, what's up? But be aware that in general, the Shona word Mangwanani means in the morning. And the Shona word Masikati means in the afternoon, while Manheru or Madekwani means in the evening.
Wait! Next Shona lesson is even cooler. Please don't miss it.
Enjoy learning Shona? Like, share, and subscribe to the Shona Squad for fun lessons every week.